In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Shopify Marketplace Connect app. To get started, open your Shopify admin panel. This is where you manage your store settings, products, and connected tools. Once you are inside the admin area, look for the Apps section in the sidebar and click on it. This is the place where you can view installed apps and add new ones that expand what your store can do. From there, go to the Shopify App Store and find the Shopify Marketplace Connect app. When you open the app listing, take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct app. This helps avoid installing the wrong tool and makes sure you are working with the official marketplace integration for Shopify. After you have opened the app, the next part is choosing the marketplace you want to sync with your Shopify store. This is an important step because the app can connect your store to an external selling channel, and you want to make sure you select the platform that matches where you already sell or where you plan to start selling. Read the available marketplace options carefully before moving on. Once you have selected your marketplace, continue through the connection process. The app will usually take you to an external sign-in page for that marketplace. At this stage, log in using your verified seller account. Make sure you are signing into the correct account, since this is the one that will be linked to your Shopify store for syncing products, inventory, and other marketplace data. After signing in, follow the authorization prompts to complete the connection. This authorization handshake allows Shopify Marketplace Connect to securely communicate with your marketplace account. In simple terms, this is what gives the app permission to access the information it needs in order to sync properly. Take your time here and review the permissions being requested so you understand what the app will be able to manage. Once the authorization is complete, the marketplace connection should be set up and ready for use. At that point, you can move forward inside the app and begin working with your synced marketplace settings as needed. That covers everything you need to know.